how much should you actually spend on a reclining gaming chair with footrest? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Engen Gaming Black Chair. The Engen Gaming Video Gaming Chair in black caught my attention right away, especially at a price of just $89.77. With over 3,300 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's labeled a bestseller for good reason. If you want ergonomic support for those long gaming sessions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This chair features an ergonomic racing design that not only looks sleek, but also reduces pressure on your back thanks to its removable headrest and lumbar support pillow. Plus, the pull-out footrest means you can kick back and relax without leaving your gaming station. The high-density foam cushions and breathable PU leather keep you comfy for hours, while the SGS-certified gas lift allows you to adjust the height easily and supports up to 300 pounds. With 360 degrees swivel and smooth rolling wheels, you'll have the freedom to move around your space without hassle. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's totally manageable. Just think of it as a mini puzzle. This chair is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on style. Skip this one if you need a chair that's ready to use right out of the box. For under $90, you get a lot of value here. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Engen Gaming White Chair. Next up is the Engen Gaming Video Gaming Chair in white, priced at just $89.96. It shares the same stellar ratings as its black counterpart, making it a solid choice for anyone who prefers a lighter aesthetic. If you want ergonomic support with stylish flair, this one's worth considering. Just like the black version, this chair features a high-back ergonomic racing style. The removable headrest and lumbar support ensure you stay comfortable during those marathon gaming sessions. The pull-out footrest is a game-changer for relaxation, and the breathable PU leather keeps you cool. Plus, it has the same adjustable height and weight capacity as the previous model, making it suitable for a variety of users. However, some users mention that the white PU leather can show dirt more easily. Here's the thing, if you keep it clean and maybe avoid snacks near it, you should be fine. This chair is perfect for you if you want to make a statement with your gaming setup. Skip this one if you tend to be messy or have pets that might scratch it. At under $90, it provides great comfort and style. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for bigger users. Product number 3, HOMRELEXA Big and Tall Chair. Now let's talk about the HOMRELEXA Big and Tall Office Chair. Priced at $206.99, it's designed specifically for those who need extra room. With a 4.4-star rating from 819 reviews, it's a popular choice. If you're looking for a chair that accommodates larger frames, this one's a great fit. This means you can lounge comfortably or snuggle up with your pets while gaming. The plush teddy fleece also provides cloud-like comfort, while the extra-thick seat cushion ensures even weight distribution, which is crucial for long hours of gaming or work. Plus, it holds up to 400 pounds and features a high-quality metal base, ensuring durability. However, some users found the assembly to be more complicated than expected. Now I'll be real with you, it might require a bit more time, but the comfort it offers is worth that effort. This chair is perfect for you if you need a wider seat and want something that feels luxurious. Skip this if you're looking for something compact. It's a solid investment for anyone needing extra support. Next up is a chair that combines comfort with some fun features. Product number 4, COMHOMA Big and Tall Chair. Next on the list is the COMHOMA Big and Tall Office Chair, priced at $189.99. With a 4.5-star rating and over 700 reviews, this chair promises comfort for those who need it most. If you're looking for a chair that supports big frames with a touch of luxury, give this one a look. This chair features a unique built-in pocket spring lumbar support that adapts to your movements, ensuring your back is always supported. The multi-layer high-density foam cushion really does feel like sitting on a cloud, distributing weight evenly and reducing pressure on your hips during those long gaming sessions. Plus, the hybrid design with breathable mesh prevents overheating, which is a big plus for gamers. It even has a smooth reclining feature for those moments when you just need to kick back. One honest flaw, some users felt the chair was a bit heavy to move around. But here's the thing, its solid construction provides stability, which is a trade-off I personally think is worth it. This chair is perfect for you if you want a mix of luxury and ergonomic design. Skip this one if you need something lightweight. At this price, you're investing in long-term comfort. Lastly, we have a chair that's incredibly budget-friendly yet still packs a punch. Product number 5, Yahitech Gaming Chair. Finally, we have the Yahitech Gaming Chair, available for just $77.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,000 reviews, this chair offers great value for gamers on a budget. If you want an affordable option that doesn't compromise on comfort, this is worth your attention. The thick foam cushioning and winged backrest keep you supported, which is essential for those lengthy sessions. What's really cool is the USB-powered massage lumbar pillow, which helps relieve tension after a long day. And the retractable footrest is a nice touch for relaxation. However, some users reported that the chair fabric tends to wear out quickly. Here's the thing though, for under $80 you might expect some wear and tear, but the comfort and features it offers make it a great deal for casual gamers. This chair is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with some extra features. Skip this if you want a high-end chair built to last for years. For the price, you really can't beat the comfort and functionality it provides. We've covered 5 fantastic reclining gaming chairs with footrests today. From the stylish Engen gaming chairs to the big and tall options by HOMRELEXA and COMHOMA, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget the super affordable Yahitech chair, which is perfect for those on a budget. Each chair has its pros and cons, so think about what features matter most to you. Happy gaming!